Hello everyone, welcome to your Shopify store design setup customization full course. In this class, we are going to learn something special and something most important part of this full course because we have already completed the basic setup of our Shopify online store using the default picture of Dawn theme. You see, we have added the announcement bar, menu section, header section, main slider, featured collection, new arrival, review, subscriber and trust base, also the promotional banner and blog section, and finally the footer section. But at a first look, as a beginner, it's okay or good enough to start your online business or start selling your product by Shopify. But the important thing is that if you compare this design with any premium theme or any other successful online store, then you can see that the difference is huge than their site to your site. So here is our work, here is our main project that we have to do. Today we are going to start customizing our Shopify online store, because before today in the all the previous class we just did the setup, we don't touch any customization, we just set up the basic p chart, and today we start customize. So as we are going to start customize, that's why I said that this course is very special, because the setup using default theme, it's super easy, anyone can do this, but customization a little bit hard than setup. So here we have multiple options to customize our Shopify online store. So first of all, we are going to start from the header top section. You see, we are going to start on the header top section, how we can customize it. Also, before that, we must have to keep in mind, if even if we use ChatGPT or Google Bard or Gemini or any AI tools to get the help for coding, we must have to customize it such a way that will not directly affect or indirectly affect on our site speed. That is very important, because maximum or most of the Shopify store visitor is mobile user. So we must have to keep focus on the site speed, that our customization does not affect on the site speed. Also, it does not make our website unprofessional. So this is very important things that you must have to keep remember every time when you start customization. So how we can start customization? To customize our header section, we can implement three process. First of all, we can create a new announcement bar. For example, if you go to my Shopify, if you go to my YouTube channel, you will find that I have already published a video how to hello everyone, how to add announcement bar. Let me show you announcement bar. You see there how to add moving announcement bar. In this announcement bar, I'm saying about this video. You see, in this announcement bar I added smart countdown timer, I added animation scrolling text, also 6 seasonal theme. So I already add this announcement bar, how to add premium announcement bar. So this is one way to directly implement new developed announcement bar on your Shopify online store. And if you want to do this, you can directly watch this video. Here is the full guideline with code snippet, and implement it on your Shopify online store. Okay, the another things is that you can customize it using their default picture. There have some picture that you can customize or use to customize. For example, let's go back on the online store. Okay, I am right now on the theme customer section and click on the edit theme, and here is the announcement bar. We can customize it. For example, we can add auto rotate. You see, we can also change the color scheme. This is the default feature, but You see, there is no option to change the font size, change the font family. Also, no option to add heading, margin, padding, a lots of things. No option to add icon in here. So that's mean you have option to customize it using the default customizations featured, but you have no option to add more customize. So here we can do another things. We can directly edit this announcement var file or develop this announcement var file. Let me show you. Three dot edit code. Okay, and search announcement. Here is the announcement var file, announcement var.liquid. We can develop this file or code on this file to add more option on the customer section, and we can do this using AI or ChatGPT. It's super easy, but you must have to be interested on coding, or you have to learn coding for that, but this is just an option. Also another things we can draw, for example, we want to directly customize. Just click on the right button of your mouse, then click on the inspect, then select the element icon selector or element selector. Here is the element selector. Click on it. When you click on it, it will be highlighted or it shows some color when it active, and then you can select your element which one you want to update. For example, I want to update or customize this text, so click on it. When I click on it, you can see that here is its market, and here is the CSS class. Looks here. Here is the CSS class. So what we can do, select this one again and add font size. You see, we have added font size. We can make it more small. Okay, we can add padding. You see, you can do this. Okay, so now how we can add it, I'm just showing you the process in the, and next I will show you the final result. So right now just show the process. So I have added some code in here just to show you, and color red. Okay, make the color red, just copy and select your customer section, announcement var, and you see there is an option custom CSS. In the custom CSS, implement it. You see the results. So we have added font size, padding and color, and we don't require others code, just to remove it. Okay, then we can click on the save. After that, reload. So in this class, basically I just show you the process how we can customize our Shopify online store. There are three ways to customize it. First of all, fully develop a new section based on your requirement, like create a new announcement var that I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel, announcement var. Also see here, you can see that. Another option is that start coding for this announcement var section on the liquid file, announcement var.liquid. In this file, develop it using ChatGPT and using your coding knowledge. Of course, I will teach you and I will show you everything. And another way, customize it using the default customization featured. Also add custom CSS code, just playing with inspect and select your element, then add CSS code. But for that you must have to know little bit code or basic code skill for that. So I hope you understand what we have learned in this class, we have learned there are three options to customize our Shopify online store. Option 1, fully develop a section that can be announcement bar, header, any section like review section or any section that we can using custom code and we can develop it. But for that you must have to know coding. Another way, use default customization feature of Dawn theme. In this way you don't have to know coding, you have to use the custom option from here, but that is totally limited featured. And another way, use inspect and play around with code and customize or change everything using code and using AI. So I will show you all the process one by one, and today I just share the process and show you the basic environment how you can do this. In the next tutorials we will working on how to start pro level customization with little bit coding, with AI power and with our own experience and skill. And of course we will do such a way that will not affect on our site speed and that will not affect on our SEO. So I hope you understand and you enjoy this class. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.